Okay, so with me here, I got three petri dish, and we have labeled these dishes according to number. Like this one is number one, this one number two, and number three. Okay, so for the first one, we need to place our fingers slowly on the agar. So as you can see here, we have already divided the petri dish into two-sided, which A and B. And for the side A, we will need to put our unwashed finger on the agar. And then next we have to wash the same finger and then slowly put it into the side B of the agar. For the A side, I will put my unwashed finger onto the agar. Okay, so next I will wash my together with the soap. Okay. Okay, so now I will put the same finger that I used just now onto the side B, which okay, now done.
Okay, for the second petri dish, we're going to determine the cleanliness of body part. So the body part that I choose is my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna swap this cotton bud on my face. Then I'm going to swap it on the jelly.
For the third petri dish, I want to determine the cleanliness of the inanimate object, which is the formic. So I'm going to choose my phone, my own phone. So first of all, I need to have a cotton bud, and then I swap at any part of my phone. Then I swap it on the agar. So done. Okay, we have labeled two petri dish with A and B. For A, we will expose it to the air for 1 hour, and for petri dish B, we will just set it as a control. Okay, this is the petri dish A, so we will expose it to the air for 1 hour. So for the second experiment, we will identify the bacteria with spores. So what we need is two feed smear. So the first thing that I will do is to heat feeds with bacteria. So what I need to do is cover. Tapi sebab ada water, dia boleh guna water ataupun immersion water. But that's very it's okay. Kita try dulu. Jangan kita buat lagi sikit.
Now we're going to cover the slide with the
Cover slide.
okay, this is the control. So I will heat fix it. Okay, next what we need to do for the control is we need to stain it. Yeah, I've dropped crystal violet to the slide, and I will let it be for 1 minute.
You put the crystal violet for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we need to rinse the slide back.
Okay, this is another feed smear. Okay, so what you need to do next is we need to put a few drops of malachite grain into the wet the smear. Okay, next we need to put it on the beaker with the boiled water. So you need to place the slide for 10 minutes. Okay, next we need to wash. And dry it. And we will observe it under the microscope.
Ain is observing bacteria spores, slide 1, which act as a control. Okay, Amira is observing the spores under magnification 40 times. Next, we're going to identify mold using wet mount. So first, we're going to have this concave slide, and then we're going to add water to the concave slide first. Okay, this loop has been sterile. So right now, we're just adding water to the slide. Okay, and then we're going to take one spore from this rotten food. And put it in the water. Okay, now we're going to cover the slide using the slide cover. Slowly let down the slide cover. Okay, this will be observed under 45 times objective lens.
Okay, after 1 hour, this is the petri dish that I've been exposed to the air. So along with the other petri dish, we will incubate it for 24 to 48 hours. Yeah.
Guys, so it has been 2 days since the last time we did this experiment. So today we will observe the result of the previous experiment. So here we have 5 petri dishes. So like this one, these two is the one that we exposed to air, and the one we as control, which we did not expose to air. So this one is the one that we did for unwash and wash hand, and this one is the part of our body which my friend used her face, and this one is the format which my friend used the surface of her phone. Okay, so today we will be going to do the gram staining for all of this. So I'll do the first one first. Okay, so the step is the same like the previous experiment where we use crystal violet, iodine, alcohol, and also safranin. All we have to sterilize this wire loop, and then we have to put a few drops of water. Okay, so the next step, we sterilize the wire loop bag, and then we take a small.
Okay, 1 minute has been passed. So we are going to let the water flow on the slide to let all the excessive crystal violet wash away. Alright, next we're going to put the iodine. So iodine acts as the killing agent and increase cell affinity towards stain. Okay, so I'm going to put it all over the stain. And then we're going to leave it for about 1 minute. Okay, and then we're going to wash it using a running water. Okay, and then I'm going to decolorize the stain using alcohol. So we're going to slant it in 45 degree, and then I'm going to wash it using alcohol. I'm going to wash it until there is no more color that falls. Then we're going to wash it using running water again. Okay, and for the last step, we're going to add safranin. So safranin acts as the to give red color to the cells that have been decolorized. So for safranin, we're going to leave it on for 2 minutes.
Tengok kalau yang lain-lain tu.
Okay, 2 minutes has passed. So we're going to wash it using running water.
Okay, so right now I'm going to dry the slide using the tissue paper. So let it dry before we put the cover slide and put the oil immersion. Immersion oil. Okay. So it's already dry. Then so I'm going to put the immersion oil onto the slide. 1 drop. And then cover it with the cover slide. Yeah, like that. So this slide is going to be observed under the microscope, and for the other slide we're going to do the same thing, which is the gram staining, and also observe under the microscope. So yeah.